Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding compatible numbers that simplify the calculation. Look at the problem and decide the operation. That tells you whether to round up, down, or use fractions like 1/2. Pick numbers that make mental math trivial. For example, change 47 to 50 or 0. 48 to 0. 5. Once chosen, rewrite the problem using those numbers so you can compute quickly. Make sure to note whether your estimate will be an overestimate or underestimate before moving on. Once you have a quick result, refine it by checking the differences between the original numbers and your compatibles. If you rounded 47 down to 40, then account for that bias by adding the missing portion proportionally. If you rounded 96 to 1, recognize that you likely overestimated. Make a small correction when it changes the decision. Also, run one extra compatible pair using a different rounding to confirm the estimate converges, which helps when decimals or mixed operations are involved. You finish by reporting the estimate clearly. Give the value and whether it's likely high or low. If the estimate affects a decision, include a margin like plus or minus 5% or the numerical difference. If something feels wrong, pick tighter compatibles. For instance, use 2 significant figures instead of 1 and recompute. As a troubleshooting tip, always verify with one exact calculation or a calculator. That single check catches selection errors and confirms your compatible number approach worked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.